Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video today I'm going to be showing you how to change your candle colors on your chart. So if you want to change your candle colors on your chart, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on that notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Without wasting much time, let's get to the video. Right here is our chart candle. As you can see, it's blue and black. So you want to change your candle colors to any color you want. So you just tap on it. You just tap on your candle, right? Tap it 2 times and it will show you like this. So right now you want to be changing this body color to green. Let's say we want to change it to yellow. Yeah, we want to change it to yellow. Right here we change it to yellow too, and right here we change it to yellow. Now right here let's change it to red. Change it to red. Let's change it to red. Now this is the wick of the candle, this is the borders, and this is the body of the candle. So now let's press OK. Let's see how it looks like. And as you can see, this is how it looks like. You can see that our candle color has been changed. So this is the simplest way on how to change your candle colors or add colors to your candle chart right on your TradingView. Alright, I hope you find this video helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on that notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Alright, thank you for watching up to this time and see you in the next